Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these two adorable DIY fall decor items using all Dollar Tree supplies. The first one we're going to be making is actually this fox candle holder. The second one will be this cake stand or just a tray stand that you can use with decorations on top as well. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, or are you going to do both of them? So the first DIY we're going to make is actually going to be the fox candle holder. So let's go ahead and get started with our first DIY. The items you're going to need is basically a wood tray, and then mainly any kind of ornament that you want to use. I found this adorable fox ceramic ornament at Dollar Tree, so that's the one I'm going to use. Then I grabbed two different kinds of moss, and I'm going to go ahead and add glue to my wood tray, and I'm going to add my moss right on top of that wood tray. I was inspired to make this candle holder from a candle holder that I saw actually at Bath and Body Works. They always have such adorable holiday candle holder stands, and I saw one that kind of looked similar to this, and I thought, hey, I can make one. So I went ahead and grabbed all the items and decided to share with you guys how I made it. So after you put your moss, go ahead and grab your one of these round wood ornaments, and they come three in a package from Dollar Tree as well, of course. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your ornament, and you're going to glue your ornament anywhere you want on your wood stand. I went ahead and just put it right on the edge of the stand, and I just held on to it until the glue dried. Once I was done, I went ahead and just grabbed some of these wood pieces from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to grab some of them that are a little bit bigger and actually almost the same size, or if not the same size, just so it can be leveled. Because I want to make sure that since I'm going to have a candle on here, I want them to be leveled. So once I found all of them that I needed, I'm going to go ahead and just glue them onto my tray as well. After I made this, I thought this would be really adorable for a baby shower centerpiece, or even a little girl or little boy's birthday party centerpiece. This would be really cute if you're doing the wilderness theme. So make sure you hold on to your wood pieces just so they can stick together, and so the glue can have a little bit to, time to dry before you move it around. Then I went ahead and started doing the fun part, which is decorating my decor. So what I did was I had some of these little mushrooms. These are from Dollar Tree as well. They had them during the springtime, but I believe they do have some right now for fall as well. You just have to kind of keep your eye out for things like this. But go ahead and just cut a little bit of your mushrooms, as many as you want, and then you're just going to kind of place them throughout your decoration. And then once you figure out where you want to place them, you're just going to go ahead and just put a little bit of glue on the bottom part, and then just attach them to your decoration. You can add little pumpkins here if you like, acorns, just any kind of nature item that you want to add onto this decor piece, you can. So once I was done adding my mushrooms, I decided to go ahead and grab one of these little moss balls. And what I did, since I did notice that it was a little bit too big, but I really wanted to use it. So what I did was just cut it in half. And I just used a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. You could just cut that foam in half. Then I used both pieces in different areas of my tray. Again, just trying to figure out where I want to place it and then just use my hot glue gun to put it wherever I wanted it. I also put some little pebble stones just to give it more of that natural look. Make it look more wilderness. So once everything is done and you add all your little decor pieces, you can add the top part, which is that wood disc, which is actually a Christmas ornament, and just hold it until it's nice and dry, and there you have your candle stand. So our next DIY is actually a lot easier than this one. All you're going to need is one of these pumpkin jars, and you're going to go ahead and stuff it with anything you want. I went ahead and just put some little hay, and then I also put in some of these plastic pumpkins. Once you're done adding whatever you want to add into your jar, you can also even add little LED wire lights if you want to make it more fun and festive, but I kept it more natural and more neutral, I guess you could say. So what I did was I just finished it up and then I placed the lid back onto the jar. Now you can glue the jar lid right back onto it to keep it nice and secure, but I wanted it to leave it open. That way I could just wash the tray part or the plate and not have to wash the entire bottom part as well. So once I did that, I grabbed a black plate, and you can use any color you want, and then just go ahead and add some glue onto your lid and flip that over to the back of the plate right in the center and let this completely dry, and there you have it. An adorable Halloween cake stand or tray stand if you want to use for decorations. So here are the two DIYs we did today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.